Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Minister of State, Chandrasekhar Pemasani ji, Information Technology and Telecom ministers from various states across the country, industry leaders, policy makers, academicians, and ladies and gentlemen present here at IMC 2025. आज दिल के गहराइयों से इंडियन मोबाइल कांग्रेस के 9वीं संस्करण में हम देश के यशस्वी प्रधान सेवक हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का दिल के गहराइयों से यशोभूमि में स्वागत करते हैं। हमारा विश्वास है कि ये संस्करण इंडियन मोबाइल कांग्रेस का शुभ भी होगा, सफल भी होगा और इस बात का प्रमाण होगा कि भारत में दूरसंचार का क्षेत्र जिस प्रगति और विकास के पथ पे है, ये एक उदाहरण है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत की विकास गाथा की, भारत की विकास यात्रा की और विश्व में भारत का संपूर्ण सहयोग और संपूर्ण प्रमाण एक नक्षत्र के रूप में जो भारत उभर रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में केवल एक दशक में भारत ने वो करके दिखाया है जो कई देशों को सदियों लगी। From being a technology taker and a technology follower, India today has become the digital flag bearer of the world. Our mobile data costs have fallen in the last 11 years by 98%. There was a time when a single minute of voice was a luxury, access was an aspiration. But today, India is home to 20% of the world's mobile population, 1.2 billion subscribers. We have grown from 60 million internet broadband users in 2014 under Prime Minister's vision to 944 million broadband subscribers today. Now let's take a moment and imagine if India were a digital nation, we would be the world's third largest digital nation with 970 million internet subscribers. In IMC 2024, our Prime Minister has said, and I quote, Bharat's model of telecom is unique. भारत में हमने टेलीकॉम को सिर्फ कनेक्टिविटी का नहीं बल्कि इक्विटी और अपॉर्चुनिटी का माध्यम बनाया है। ये माध्यम आज गांव और शहर, अमीर और गरीब की बीच की दूरी को मिटाने में मदद कर रहा है। वे इन कहानियों का आंचल है जहां किसान अपने उपज की कीमतों को रियल टाइम तय करता है, बच्चे घर पर ही दुनिया पढ़ते हैं और गांव की उद्यमिता ग्लोबल मार्केट्स के साथ जुड़ती है। Today our telecom revolution rests on 4 Ds: democracy, demography, digital first and delivery. प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में दूरसंचार क्षेत्र का लोकतांत्रिकरण किया गया है। 1 GB of data in 2014 used to cost 287 rupees. Today that 1 GB of data costs only 9 rupees 11 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Demography. 99.9% of our districts today are connected by 5G. We have 365 million subscribers. And therefore, this warrants that scale today is on India's side. Digital first, the trinity of JAM, DBT, and UPI, India's DPI, has become a global benchmark for inclusion, for innovation, and it has turned services into rights and made governments instantaneous. Today, 20 countries across the globe are in active discussions to adopt India's DPI model. Delivery, from towers to antennas to fiber to BharatNet, the Prime Minister has set the tone. With discipline, we must ensure 100% saturation. And finally, each of these connect with each other. Affordable data, democracy, meets young and vibrant population, demography. Together, they demand a better platform, digital first. And then these platforms matter when they reach every single home, delivery. This is the virtuous circuit that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has created for India and from India for the world, ladies and gentlemen. Our theme this year, Innovate to Transform, is not rhetorical. It is practice indigenously. Over the next 3 days, we will have over 1.5 lakh participants from over 150 countries, 1,500 exhibitors with stalls, and over 1,600 cutting-edge use cases spanning 5G, 6G, AI, and electronics and IoT. We're also having this year, Prime Minister Sir, an unusual World Cup, Startup World Cup 2025, India edition, where 550 companies will vie with 300 venture capitalists and private equities for finance. 15 of these companies will be chosen and sent to the International World Cup competition in San Francisco. And I'm very confident with Prime Minister's guidance, India will come back victorious from that World Cup. The true signature of Innovate to Transform is powered by what I call the DSS revolution. D for designing in India, S for solving for India, and S for scaling from India. A wonderful example of that is the Prime Minister's foresight. When we talked about 4G, he was emphatic in his decision that India must build her own 4G stack. And just last week, ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister has unveiled 1 lakh towers across the length and breadth of India, of India's domestic 4G stack, built in India, built for India, but built for the world. We have now entered the club of 4 nations. And India has planted its foot very firmly in this area of product innovation as well. This is India's journey, as Prime Minister has said many times, vocal for local and local to global. And this revolution is the modern echo of our old paramparik instinct. आजादी के पहले जब चरखा आत्मनिर्भरता की प्रतीक होती थी, उस चरखे से स्वराज का सपना निकला था। और वैसे ही आज प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में सेमीकंडक्टर का चिप वही भूमिका निभा रही है जब सेल्फ रिलायंस से सेल्फ इनोवेशन में की तरफ भारत बदल रहा है। IMC 2025 is this latest chapter in Bharat's timeless story. From the charkha that wove freedom for India to the chip that powers transformation for India. भारत ने दिखाया है कि जब इनोवेशन स्वदेशी होता है, तब उसका प्रभाव वैश्विक होता है। This talk of transformation will not be possible unless we talk about our Swadeshi innovation in our factories, in our workshops, where ideas become products. The Prime Minister resolved with the PLI scheme, Production Linked Incentive Scheme, today has resulted in close to 91,000 crore of new production, 18,000 crores of exports, and the creation of 30,000 new jobs. India today, as a product nation, distinct from being a service nation, means creators besides consumers, patents besides pragmatism, and local design languages creating a new aesthetics of devices that will carry Indian crafts into the world of electronics. India's ambition, ladies and gentlemen, goes beyond 5G. The Bharat 6G Alliance aims for 10% of patents as standards will be set for 6G. SATCOM today is expanding horizons, taking connectivity from land to sea to space. And the SATCOM market today, across telecom and broadcasting, which is at close to $4 billion, will triple to almost $15 billion by 2033. At the heart of this whole revolution lies our people. It is India's going to be the world's largest digitally skilled force in the days to come. और ये digitally skilled force, जब हमारी सुरक्षा और sovereignty का मजबूत ढांचे से सुरक्षित होगा, तो ये केवल टेलीकॉम रेवोल्यूशन की क्रांति नहीं होगी, ये विकसित भारत की क्रांति होगी। स्किल्स हमें शक्ति देती है, सिक्योरिटी हमें विश्वास देता है, सॉवरेनिटी हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनाता है। और यही भारत की पद्धति होगी प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में, कि जो विश्व पर निर्भर भारत था, आज वो आत्मनिर्भर भारत में परिवर्तित हो रहा है। और आत्मनिर्भर भारत से वो दिन दूर नहीं जब दुनिया कहेगी कि विश्व भारत पर निर्भर है। Honorable Prime Minister has always said, and I quote, India is not just a participant in the digital revolution, India is leading it, unquote. With our Swadeshi 4G stack, with our fastest rollout of 5G, with our Digital Bharat Nidhi, connecting 38,000 villages for 100% saturation, with BharatNet, $17 billion program connecting 6 lakh villages, with 10% of 6G patents. And therefore today, IMC 2025 will be that symphony where design, democracy, demography, and delivery will play in harmony. I appeal to all of you today, design here, solve here, scale for everywhere. India innovates, ladies and gentlemen, and the world transforms. Let's welcome our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. Thank you very much.